What's in your own personal collection right now? Let's talk about yours for a minute. What do you hold right now?
I'm kind of a Maserati guy, so I've got the 250F, which I bought. That was my very first car. Then I lusted over the Maserati Birdcage, um, 1960. So I've added that to the collection. I've got another Maserati that's under restoration. It's a 350S. But I'm a little bit eclectic. I've got a 19. I used to go to the Trans Am races, so I've got the 1969 Parnelli Jones Boss Trans Am car, and then I actually have got something even more current. Since I couldn't they wouldn't put me on the list for the new Ford GT supercar. So I got an opportunity to buy one of the 5 Le Mans 2016
Mm,
Ford GTs. So I've
wow.
got the Ford GT from that Ford took to Le Mans in 2016. It took second place.
Wow. You still have that original Formula One car?
I do. I still race it. It stays mostly in Europe. We hope to get a grid here in 2023, where most of those Formula One cars from the mid 1950s, they all seem to be in Europe. And so our hope is that we can entice a number of the collectors in Europe to come to our event and put together a world-class grid here in America.